Welcome dear friends, I hope you all will be fine. So friends, today I have brought a new website for you where you can earn TRX, TRON and other cryptocurrency coins. The link of the website is available in the description of the video. You have to click on the link and you will get an interface like this. For creating account, first enter your username, enter your phone number, email address, password, confirm password, click on register button. After login account you will see an interface like this and you will get 38000Z TRX sign up bonus. After that, click on invest button. You can see all VIP packages details. If you deposit minimum 10 TRX to 500 TRX, your daily income 9 to 10%. And if you deposit 1000 and above, your daily income 10 to 11% for deposit. Click on go to recharge now button, then click on transfer to basic account. You can see deposit address or QR, select TRX copy address and go to your wallet, Trust Wallet or Binance or anyone you have. I have Trust Wallet, so I open the Trust Wallet account and select TRX, click on send, paste the link you copied here, and select the number of TRX you want to deposit. So I want deposit 100, then I put 100 TRX and send payment back to your website. Click on recharge complete button, then refresh it 2 to 3 times and wait few seconds. You can see my deposit has been confirmed, 100 TRX in my account. After that, click on income button and you can see VIP is running. Under 24 hours you can receive your daily income. After 24 hours, just click on earning button, then click on collect button, collect your daily income which will be added in your account. It's depend on your deposit package. After that you can easily withdraw. Before withdraw, first of all you need to bind your wallet address. Click on bind wallet address button, enter your wallet address, WhatsApp, Oregon, Telegram details. For withdrawal you have to click on your withdraw button. I added a wallet in the first, select withdrawal amount minimum 5 TRX. I want withdraw 9 TRX, so I write 9 TRX, enter with, and then click on confirm button. You can see withdrawal has been submitted, except that you can invite your friends. Click on share friends button, copy link and share with friends. You can generate passive income from referrals. So guys, if you face any problem you can contact with customer service or helpline service. Now you can see withdrawal has been received in my wallet. I hope you liked the video. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe so that you can get more earning videos. Thank you.